Let's talk about the power of breathing. When you're breathing calmly, you regulate your nervous system because you're sending a signal to your brain that everything is safe. The average breath rate per minute is between 12 and 18. And there's some adults, cool fact, that can breathe as little as 6 breaths per minute, which is actually normal and extremely healthy. And then there's some advanced meditators who have an average breath rate of 1 breath per minute. To check your breath rate, you would time yourself for 60 seconds, and then for every exhale, you count it as 1. If you're well over the 18, which I was, that typically can be a sign of like a health condition or anxiety. And if you're under, you're really starting to regulate your breath. Think about it. If you've ever suffered from like a panic attack, you may notice that your breath is very rapid, but you feel like you can't actually breathe. This is why I have incorporated different breathing activities into my routine as well as what I do with my girls. And so I brought my oldest daughter along so that she can kind of like show you a quick breathing activity. She doesn't love it, but she's learning to love it because we do it daily. So I'm going to have her show you. So what we're going to teach you is box breathing. And the benefits of box breathing are literally innumerable. But some examples are that it helps you to rest better and digest better. It helps you to think more clearly. And overall, it can decrease the feelings of anxiety. So I'm going to have Kaylin show you. We're going to draw the box, and then you're going to breathe with each part of the drawing. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So go ahead and show them. Say hey.
So for each inhale and exhale, it's 4 seconds. Okay, that's just a fun fact. But ready?
Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Dope. See how simple it is? You could literally be in your car, hopefully not driving, like stopped or parked. You can be in your bed, you can be in your living room, you can be wherever. But all you need is your finger and just the reminder to do the 4 seconds, like she said, drawing the box and breathing in and out. Practicing this regularly is going to, again, regulate your nervous system, calm your breathing, help you to think more clearly, decrease anxiety, digest better, rest better, all of the things. So I invite you to incorporate that into your routine today. It's something your future self will thank you for. Talk to y'all later.